parking lot across the dam.
That's a long movie.
Oh, it won't be that long. That's a big chip. It's a 4-gig chip.
Do you have more chips for Adam's wedding? Huh.
Cop will probably wonder why we've come across twice.
Oh, Jesus. I'll keep this steady, but you know what?
Well, no, I mean, obviously, even if it comes out a little bit jerky, everybody knows we're moving, so.
Oh.
An elevator in there.
Notice that elevator. And coming in, Nevada time, 8:15.
Well, it's probably the same time in Arizona.
Yeah.
Coming across the top of the dam.
Yep. Arizona time also 8:15.
Just keep filming until we get to a parking lot.
Okay. Tell me when to stop.
We can get these two police vehicles in here too.
Yeah. Be prepared to stop. You want
Oh,
me to...
U.S. Department of the Interior. That's not even police.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll just turn around this parking lot up here.
Okay.
Oh, how about right here? Okay, just wait till I turn around and then I'll tell you to stop.
The Grand Canyon State, Arizona welcomes you. So,
Okay, wait.
wait.
And just get pan across there. And that's the end. Unless you want to keep filming.
Trying.
This is good, hun.
Okay.